Just before the release of Radhe, YouTuber and film critic Anmol Jamwal posed a common yet interesting question. What are your expectations from Radhe? It was common because, well, that's what you commonly ask before a major movie or TV show release. But it was interesting because, unlike every other instance, it was being asked during a time where every sane minded person has been run dry due to the ongoing COVID 19 pandemic. People have been bombarded with shocking revelations about their country's healthcare, news about people dying all around the country, the lack of vaccine, and the list just goes on. And you can't just switch off, right? Because even if you detach yourself from social media and news, things still revolve in that noggin of yours. You need a distraction. You need something that will actively go out of its way to not allow you to think. Yes, that something is Radhe. Radhe is directed by Prabhu Deva, it's written by Vijay Maurya and AC Mugil, and it stars Disha Patani, Randeep Hooda, Jackie Shroff, and the one and only Salman Khan. Now, although it is a Salman Khan extravaganza, there are a lot of people who deserve a sizable amount of attention. और क्योंकि मेरे को पता है कि आप लोग क्रेडिट्स तो देखते नहीं हैं, तो मैं इधर उनके नाम और डिपार्टमेंट डिस्प्ले कर देता हूँ. और देखते देखते लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो, शेयर बाद में कर देना, और कमेंट्स में जाके बताओ थॉट्स क्या है मूवी के बारे में या मेरे रिव्यू के बारे में, ठीक है? ऑलराइट, ऑन विद द रिव्यू. आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट अ थियरी दैट इज ब्लास्फेमस. Correction. I'm going to present a theory that some people might consider to be blasphemous. So, brace yourselves. YouTuber Patrick Willems did a rundown of Francis Ford Coppola's filmography. And during that, he said something along the lines of Francis Ford Coppola's movies are like events where he involves his family and friends. He collaborates with people he knows and has a very strong bond with them, something that is rarely seen in the entertainment industry. The lines between real and real are often blurred, and it's through this process that he creates art. I'll link his video in the description and you can check it out for yourself because I'm not doing it justice. Coming back to Salman, I think his movies are similar in nature. Similar. His family members are co-producers and executive producers. His friends are either behind the camera or in front of it. And he does that even when every artist in this country is probably a phone call away because he likes to chill and make filmmaking a communal experience rather than art in the strictest sense. Plot kya hai? It's something about Randeep Hooda peddling drugs that is corrupting the youth of Mumbai, and he's so unstoppable that somebody as immovable, literally and metaphorically, as Salman Urf Radhe has to be brought in. That's followed by बहुत सारा extrajudicial punishment, बहुत सारा cringe, problematic and creepy romance, बहुत सारा tokenism. At one point there is Jackie Shroff dancing in an one-piece dress. But if you keep that aside for a bit, you will notice that Salman has understood that his movies need two things, in addition to the family and friends cement wala vibe, in order to keep things interesting. Firstly, lots and lots of references to his real life persona. So you have him looking directly at the camera to say Eid Mubarak. You see him getting dropped off at Galaxy Apartments, which is where Salman actually lives. You see him riding being human ka cycle. And secondly, moments. Big, bombastic, superhuman moments that will make him look cool. उसके पीछे थोड़ा motivation होने से चलेगा, logic नहीं होने से भी चलेगा, but they have to be big and bombastic and superhuman in nature. Hence, you have him running at the speed of lightning through the window of a multi-storied building. He catches a person falling from a 5-storied building. He gives a mob boss a live flashback of how he has killed his henchmen. I'm not kidding. They don't go into a flashback. There is no transition. उनके सामने ही फ्लैशबैक चलता है. और लास्ट में तो मतलब ईथन हंट और जेम्स बॉन्ड का मिश्रण होके कुछ गजब ही करता है भाईजान, विच आई वोंट स्पॉइल फॉर यू. सिर्फ यही बताऊंगा कि देयर इज अ हेलीकॉप्टर इन्वॉल्व एंड ही प्रेजेंट्स ऑल दिस इन अ पैकेज दैट डजंट क्रॉस द ड्रेडेड 2 hour मार्क. और क्या चाहिए? हाँ, सही में और क्या चाहिए? कमिंग टू वेल एवरीथिंग एल्स. I'm not the biggest fan of Prabhu Deva's direction. Most of his movies aren't easy on the senses. They're over-edited to shit and they're just all over the place. Weirdly enough, here in Radhe, he has a much better handle on things. He uses practical effects like blood squibs very smartly. The camera is not as handheld, and when it is, it feels like some thought has been put into it with the help of the production designer, the stunt coordinator, and the editor. Radhe's first interaction with Randeep's character Rana is pretty intense. There's a bathroom fight sequence that then spills onto the club floor, and even though it's nothing like the one from Mission Impossible Fallout, there's some visual storytelling involved, and it sets the stage for what's about to come later on in the movie. He even manages to bring a lot of Randeep's extraction energy for a neatly choreographed action set piece that's done in one take. Or at least it's made to look like one. Either way, it's great. As for the rest of the cast, all I'm going to say is that they were never meant to be the center of attention to begin with. क्योंकि वो तो सलमान भाई है. And they did what they were paid to do. अगर वो लोग उससे खुश है and they had a fun time making this movie, तो बहुत बढ़िया. Who am I to complain? सलमान खान्स मूवीज आर इवेंट्स. सिंगल स्क्रीन थिएटर्स और मल्टीप्लेक्सेस ऐसे पैक्ड हो जाते थे विद पीपल रशिंग टू बाय अ टिकट, taking selfies in front of his movies posters and just having a fun as hell time. और pre-COVID times पे I'm going to be honest, I used to scoff at all that कि ऐसे मूवी जैसा आर्ट का सत्यानाश हो रहा है and all that. After staying inside for over a year, now I am missing that. It would have been fun to watch Radhe with Salman's fans. And even though I didn't get to do that, movie देख के तो काफ़ी मज़ा आया. I won't lie about that. Hence, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. छोटा मूवी है, माइंडलेस मूवी है, ठीक ठाक लेवल का क्राफ्ट है ऑन डिस्प्ले, बस उतने से फिलहाल मेरा दिल खुश है. So, have you watched Radhe? What did you think of it? Let me know in the comments. And if you like my review, then like दबा दो. If you disliked, तो dislike दबा दो. पर subscribe करना for more content ahead.